Welcome to today's market report. I'm excited to share you some statistics about what's going on in the marketplace, and let's talk about what actually is true and not what you're listening to and maybe hearing about and not how you feel about the market. So let's start with median price points. The median price point of an existing home is $515,000, which is just about 10% less than it was a year ago. New construction is at $520,000, also down, but about 20% less than it was a year ago. So drastic changes for new construction prices. Over the year, since about July last year, we've seen builders really change their marketing plan and starting to include more bells and whistles in their offers and money off at the closing table. So closing costs get covered many times. Let's talk about inventory. In Ada County, there was about 398 homes sold, and in new construction, there was 247 homes sold. New construction was up 8%, but existing homes were down 32%. So a lot of changes in the marketplace. And let's talk about days on market, which is something everyone wants to discuss. An existing home has been on the market for a median of 31 days, which is up 140% from last year. And new construction is up to 93 days on market, which is 287% more than last year. So some drastic changes. In new construction, you may have heard us talk about since last July how builders were including more incentives to buy and also including closing costs as part of the price. So there's been lots of incentives, but we're starting to see the market shift a little bit and buyers getting less of those things. So check out with each builder what they may be offering. And if you have questions, we'd be glad to help you take a good look at what builders are offering in terms of upgrades and closing costs. And many times we have, from our experience, things that maybe is not available to the public. So we're glad to share that kind of information with our clients. In Canyon County, the median price of an existing home was $370,000, which is down about 13% year over year. For new construction, the median price of a home was $406,000, which was down about 26%. So new construction continues to see a lot of interest, but builders are very motivated to sell. Let's talk about inventory. In Canyon County, at the time of this report, there was 202 homes that were existing homes for sale and 171 homes for sale that were new construction. Existing homes were down about 30% and new construction homes were down about 13%. So a lot going on in the marketplace, and if you take a look at different price points, you'll see the market really changes. One great way that we offer to help keep an eye on the market more closely, as opposed to a sales report, we have a listing report, and you can find that on our home values page and subscribe to any market. We have Boise, Meridian, Eagle, Star. We also have Kuna. We have Caldwell, Middleton, Nampa, as well as Horseshoe Bend and Emmett. So you can, and actually McCall as well. So lots of ways to keep an eye on the market. And again, those are more listing oriented, which means they're much more up to date. You can actually see a lot more trends happening sooner. Just lastly, I want to close with days on market. In Canyon County, existing homes have been on the market for a median of 50 days, which is up 300% from last year. New construction's up to 91 days, which is 200% more than it was last year. So some big changes in the marketplace. Again, I wanted to share some numbers. A lot of times we talk to clients who have a feeling or they've heard something, but this is the actual data. We've included images here so you can check out the reviews. And if you have any questions about the market, either specific niches or trends, we'd be glad to talk to you.